Hey, I'm Brody. This here is my 1986 GMC Sierra. I got it from a farmer in Kansas. He bought it brand new in 1986. It had 26,000 original miles on it. He used it purely for his farm, and then he just parked it. About 4 years ago he passed away, and I got a hold of the family members and actually bought the truck, brought it back up here, tore it down completely from the frame, or down to the frame, and restored it, repainted it, lifted it, put bigger axles in it. I had originally built a 454 big block and put it in it, but I wasn't satisfied with it, so this past winter I bought and rebuilt a 12 valve Cummins, and I swapped it in there, and turned out pretty good.